I got myself in a little bind out here. I'm not gonna get too close to you, buddy. You'll get yours and your eggs. I've got, what's that, 8 eggs over here for you? Just for you, 8 eggs and a slice of cheese. I'm gonna put the cheese and the eggs for you. Who's a good boy? He's a good boy. That's a good boy. Wait. It's okay. See, it's cooled off a little bit. Don't go too fast because some of it's probably still warm. I'm not touching that because I don't want salmonella, but I'll pick this up. I don't want any of that salmon disease. No siree. I got myself in a little bind out here. Started coming up this hill, started sliding sideways right about here, and ended up, my front tires were up there where those rocks are. Those were my back tires. Just doing everything I could not to slide into this ditch. And luckily, I had my come along and a tow strap, and I, had to risk it with one of those little straps and just kind of pulled. I started it back here, and as the front got a little bit too close, I moved it up there, hooked it into the frame, and it just kind of pulled the back end out. So I'm at a much better angle. Oh great, now you got mud all over your feet. You're gonna get on the back seat too. Oh well. All right, so I've been at it for about an hour, and I am about ready to be done. I'm getting close. Made it kind of back down the hill, but it's still just going down sideways because this stuff is just absolutely ridiculously slick. I mean, I can barely walk up it. So
getting my traction and winch back down. So like I was just going up and it was just right over into that wall, and I knew if I got in that ditch it was all over. So I did everything that I could to stay out of it, and this thing saved my life today, or at least my wallet, because it would cost quite a bit to get somebody out here to pull me out right now. All right. I had my first experience with Georgia clay, and it was not a fun one. I will not be back. 0 stars.